And welcome to today's fast-paced video, which is called What Has Changed Since Friday's Close, and the extensive weekend video that I have shared on YouTube. It's exactly the US dollar, and I don't mean tariff news hitting Netflix, even tariff-proof Netflix with tariffs to be paid on foreign-made movies. So much for being tariff-proof these days. Let's have a look at the US dollar, which is returning back below 100, which is not what the bulls in the stock market want to see. However, this is a bit more nuanced. So, while euro is not surging sky high versus the US dollar, this move is more tied to yen appreciation. Yen, out of all the news floating, the idea of having the sizable treasuries hoard and using it as a leverage in the tariff negotiations. So much for country framework deals, even among such close allies as the US and Japan are. US dollar is not tanking versus other safe haven currencies. If you check versus the Swiss franc, it's more in line with the euro tame move. So this is reflecting the tariff uncertainty and the whole China situation you know about, and I've been writing about that in the full article. Make sure to review it. About exports of Iranian oil hitting embargoing China. Such was the pronouncement, the idea, the tweet. Let's see how it goes and whether the already difficult situation with US-China standoff, where markets are expecting and being positioned to some kind of deferral resolution, whatever, on par with the 90-day tariff pause, which was what I called for all clients on that beautiful Wednesday. Let's see how it goes when it comes to US-China. Thus far the situation is pretty difficult. Inspecting the 1 to 3 year Treasuries aggregate, which is a very short-term metric, does not really show that there would be some kind of a mad rush in there. Make sure to review the full video of Saturday, where I dive into the credit market, bond market, non-confirmation when it comes to the stock market advance. Stocks have somewhat retraced a bit of the non-farm payrolls upside, squeeze, upside, jubilation, because the expectations were justifiably quite negative going into the figure release. So make sure to review the full video where I am talking the bond market, calm in the bond volatility move, which is the move index. Contrast that to wicks and forward-looking wicks, whereas ratios that I like to cover and which I as well did beyond credit spreads and beyond how to play it, whether swing or intraday, this heightened volatility and headline sensitivity. You will see weekly, daily, sectoral perspectives when it comes to the full weekend select stock market and real asset ratios. And it's precisely this US dollar reversal to the downside that is unfolding on Monday, which had sent everything up from the from gold to oil, as well as expense of, on the weekend, losing altitude Bitcoin. So make sure to review the full video.